HMRC investigation. Why HMRC gonna start investigation and what will be the reason? There are the three main reasons when HMRC can start. First of all, we need to understand if HMRC start investigation, your business is not random. There must be a reason or logic behind it. First point is that if you see that profit margin, for example, if you are in an industry where profit margin is between 50% to 60%, for example, that's the industry profit margin. In the same industry, for example, your accountant showing that the profit margin 10% to 20%. So that straight away will trigger the investigation. Something is not right going on. The reason, there could be so many reasons. For example, one reason is under declared sale. Another reason is that personal expenses claim, or and the third reason is that something else. And in the same industry, if someone showing the 50% to 60% profit here and your profit is less, that's the one reason. Another reason is a big variation in the numbers. What does that mean? Is, for example, you have a sale here. Last financial year, you have sale of 80K. Now it's increased from 80K to 200K. For example, here. So HMRC might ask, are you registered for VAT? That's the first question they're going to ask, because the threshold will gone up. Logic behind is that turnover increase. For example, there is a residential rental income is there. Residential rental income is VAT free. So HMRC will accept that reason. So that's the one of the reason to trigger that. And another reason is that, for example, vice versa, numbers going down, profit margin is going down and the sale is going down. For example, sale going down 10K from 70K. For example, your turnover decrease and same as a profit is decreased. HMRC can trigger the investigation, can ask that why is happening. And the third and the last, which is the most important reason, is that late filing. What is late filing mean? That all the time you're filing late your VAT return, then you filing late your self-assessment, and the last one, all the time you filing last minute your company accounts. What does that mean? HMRC might think that you have no control on your number, on your financial system. That's why you're doing all these things at the last minute. So that needs to be very trigger point for HMRC to start their investigation. If you need any further question, you can email us. We can discuss in detail. Thank you.